How to use Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the Digistore 24 platform, what the platform is all about, and how you can start earning six figures from this platform. So let's get into it. Now, the first step that you're going to do is you're going to go on to digistore24.com, and over here you can see that they are a marketplace for affiliates and vendors both. So what this platform basically does is that it provides vendors with a place to promote their product. So they will give their products and they will pay a fee, and then affiliates take those products, they promote them, and then they get a bonus or a payout. So whenever they get a successful sale. Now, with Digistore 24, the best part is that they are a hub, they are a marketplace. So you have so many different products that you can choose from to start your journey. Now, to get started with Digistore 24, the first thing that you're going to do is click on register now over here. And once you click on register now, all you have to do is fill out this information. So you have to fill out your username. You can sign up as just an affiliate or just a vendor, but we are going to be signing up as an affiliate. And then you have to enter your username, email, password, time zone, and then your company and phone number. So that is all, that is it. And once you have signed up, this is going to be your basic dashboard. So this is going to be what your account looks like once you sign up, and you have to verify your phone number as well, but I haven't done that on this account, so I'm gonna re-log into this account to show you guys what the Digistore 24 platform is going to look like once you have signed up. So once you sign up, this is your dashboard, and on your top left side you have your Digistore 24 ID, then you have your view as vendor, affiliate, or home, you have your language, you have logout buttons, and then you can click on your business cockpit, which is this, where you have your basic all of your earnings, all of your detailed statistics, you could say. You have them all over here, and then you have your marketplace. So if you click on marketplace over here like this, you have this page show up. So what this page basically is that this is a list of available affiliates for Digistore 24. So these are the current affiliates that are working on Digistore 24, and on your left you have different categories as well. So you can pick out a category that you want to promote from. So let's say you have a home and gardening blog already. So you can pick out home and gardening in the category, and you can easily promote this kind of affiliate on your already existing blog. So if you have something that has traction, if you have a user following on any platform and that platform is about something specific, you can pick out that category from here and then post that affiliate on your pre-existing category. But I'm going to show you a method where you can promote any affiliate that you want. So what you're going to do is, first off, you're just going to go onto digital products and just go into the marketplace. Don't select any kind of categories. And I'm going to show you what is important to view in an product, because you don't want to be promoting a product where you're only getting like 0 cents or 0.001 cent. You want high payout. So what you need to do is take a look at the commission. The higher the commission, the better. But you also need to take a look at their cart conversion and cancellation rate. So it needs to have high cart conversion as well as a low cancellation rate. So every time an order is canceled, any money that you earned via that order is going to be refunded. So you're not going to get any payouts with cancellations, and that is why it is very important to pick out a product with a low cancellation rate. Try to make sure that the cancellation rate is less than 20%. Usually I even prefer going with less than 15% because I don't like the feeling of having money and then the money being taken back. So you can see this is actually a pretty nice little book that you can promote, Home Doctor. It has 75% initial commission. Then you also have the price average. You have a cancellation rate of 2.1% and a very high card conversion of 35%. So a product like this is perfect for Digistore 24, and it's perfect for you to promote from Digistore 24. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the link over here. So you can just copy this link and you can start promoting it. That is it. So you just have to copy the link and then you can start promoting. Now, that's the easy part. You have signed up, you have found a good product. How do you actually promote these products? So there are many ways that you can promote your affiliate. First off, you can create a simple landing page or website. So all you have to do is go on Google, go on Wix.com, create a account via your Gmail address. You can just sign up, click on create new site, and then you can create a simple and easy website for the affiliate that you are promoting. So what this will serve as a very official looking platform where people are going to be very inclined to buy your product. They're going to feel like, oh, this thing has a website, it seems very legitimate. So I do like to create a landing page for long-term affiliate product. So if this product is a short-term product, then I wouldn't create a website for it. Initially, I like to wait for the first week, and if the first week I get good traction on the other ways that I'm going to promote this product, then I go on and create a landing page. Now, what are the other ways to promote a product? First off is the most popular, and it is Facebook. Now, you might be wondering, Facebook is dead. Why would I promote on Facebook? Well, if you think that, then you are mistaken, because Facebook still has the most amount of social media users out of all social media platforms. And what you can do is do very, very specific targeted marketing on Facebook. So this is the home doctor. What you're going to do is you're going to search for homeopathic. And then what you're going to do is on the left, you're going to click on groups over here. And once you click on groups, you can just join some of these groups and then start promoting your book over there. So you only have to just find whatever kind of item you're promoting, whatever item it is, whatever category it belongs with, find Facebook groups related to that category, and then start promoting your book or your item in that group. And the best part about this is that the people that you are going to be promoting to are already going to be interested in this item, because they are already in this kind of group where they are looking for such product, and you're going to be giving them the product that they are looking for. So it's very, very simple and very, very effective to promote on Facebook in this method. Now, another thing on Facebook you can do is you can click on these dots over here and create a Facebook page for the product that you are promoting. It's simple, easy, and you can also create a page like weight loss tips from a pro, and then you can promote multiple different affiliate products that are related to weight loss on this page. And what this will allow you is that you will have one page promoting different products, and it will seem very legitimate. It won't seem like it is a affiliate product, or it won't seem like, you're specifically promoting this product. It will seem very genuine to the viewers of the product. Now, there is another great method to promote your product, and that is on Pinterest. So whatever Digistore 24 affiliate link you get, you can go onto pinterest.com and you can click on create pin, and then all you have to do is upload a image of the product, or you can even go onto Canva and create a more stylized version of that image, and then add your title, add your destination link, which is going to be your actual affiliate link, and then you can just talk about how this is such a great and a fantastic product, and that you have used it, you have found it super helpful, or something like that. So in this way, not only are you getting a very targeted range on Facebook, so you're targeting specific people, and you're also going to be getting a wider audience. So people that might not have been that interested in this product might just browse through Pinterest and find it, and they will be more inclined to purchase as well. Now, these are some of these simple and easy tactics that you can use to promote your Digistore 24 product. Once you start promoting your product, you can click on your account, you can click on your details, and then you can click on your reports, transactions. You can take a look at all of your payment methods. You can take a look at your business cockpit for, actual analytics of how your affiliates are doing, how many earnings per click are you getting, your total earnings, your promo clicks, the overall earnings per month, per day, per week, per year. And not only that, you can also do a payout account and link your account, and then get your monthly payout as a specific threshold as well. The best part about this is that not only are you getting a affiliate commission, you are also getting money for your promotion, and then you have like these large Facebook pages where you can begin promoting other affiliate programs as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to use Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.